Well, hey everybody, just sort of quickly try and run this to get a bit of a speed run test on this new setup. No idea what it's going to be like. I don't think the pinion's going to be big enough, so we'll see. Got to 48 k's an hour then. I've got drag brakes set on this just because I'm scared of it disappearing. So that's full throttle. Nowhere near fast enough. .81 k's an hour, so it's not too bad. It's not super quick, but it's not slow. Anyway. You can see the front of the car's weighed down heaps by this new motor, M2C. Well, looks like at least the temperature sensor's starting to work, and voltage is dropping, so that's a good sign. She's definitely heavy on the front. I've turned the punch down to 3 just because of the torque, but I was expecting this thing to wheelie a lot more with this setup, but maybe just the pinion size and the weight. Pretty impressive. I'm happy with where we're at. Saying I've got 118 degrees Fahrenheit on the outside of the cam, so that's not bad. I might just do a quick check with my temp gun and see what it reads. Alright, so it's reading 120 on the controller. It's not too bad. I am a little surprised how warm that is actually. Didn't expect that to get so hot. Probably having all that drag brake on doesn't help. Yeah, so as you can see, we've got the HobbyWing MAX5 and I've got the combo which has the 56113 SL. Reason I've got that tape and the cable tie on is I've got the temperature sensor that I've connected up to the Spektrum system, and I'm using at the moment until I can figure out how to use the standard receiver that came with the car. I've got a telemetry module in there included as well. That's why I've got two aerials, as well as my AVC receiver from the infraction. So I hope that I can figure out to find an adapter or something so I don't need to use that connection, but until then I don't know what I'll do. So running these are brand new. It's the first time I've actually charged and ran these batteries. I bought these for this car. So they're the Hobby King 600 milliamp hour 8S pack, 4S packs. So 75C apparently. Seem alright. We'll see how they go. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Temperature reading through the radio, and the max it says it got to was 120, which is pretty close to what I was reading on my Sky RC temperature gauge. I really have no idea what that means. I'll have to read up on it, but some kind of I suppose errors, and whether or not it's received everything that it sent out, I don't know. And there's the voltage from the battery pack, so I've got an alarm set that will go off when it gets too low, and then also there it shows you the minimum and maximum voltage readings for the battery pack during the run, so it's pretty handy. And same there, so 63 degrees Fahrenheit, maximum 120, and then the temperature at 110 now. So yeah, happy with that. And once I can finally figure out which RPM sensor to buy, hopefully I'll get that part of the screen to show something too. But yeah, DX5 seems alright so far, not too bad. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll get this thing in the air soon. Well, I think I need to adjust the ride height a bit. Balance is off now with that giant can on the front, but yeah, and I can't really move these batteries back any further because that's as far as they go on the base plate. And yeah, just so you guys are aware, see the version 1.5 brace there with the M2C chassis, it won't fit as stated with the stock chassis design. The way it is, it allows that brace to fit, but I just turned it upside down. Can't see any reason why that won't be useful a little bit at least. At least the screws go back in to somewhere and kind of gives that drive shaft something to be covered up by at least. Yeah, see how it goes. It might end up getting bent, but otherwise I'm not going to be using it anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Well, everyone, that was a maiden run with the new setup on the Kraton 8S, and managed to just eke out 81 k's an hour with the Pinion that I've chose, which is unfortunately only a 34 tooth at the moment. I've got a 39 coming, but obviously with all the germs floating around, the packages seem to be taking a lot longer than normal, and I'll hopefully receive that this week. But I still think 81 k's an hour is not bad for the size and weight of this thing. I'm sure it will still jump and still do things that I need it to at that speed. Anyway, thanks guys, take care.